20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
What, baby?
25. Oh.
Yes, baby. Charity, how do I contribute? We need the link. So there is a QR code on there, but there is a link for Starlight. I think it's exclamation Starlight.
It's Pidgey.
It's Pidgey.
Oh no, I'm sorry. I don't know how long I was muted for. Hopefully you guys have been hearing me. I have arms at the end. I don't think I'm gonna have arms at the end of this. So I have 275 push-ups left to do. The wax is currently warming up. It's starting to melt, yeah. Since the push-ups? Oh, okay. Well, shoot. Just before standing up. He's drunk. He won't be able to handle that. It would be funny. Yeah. Okay. How's the rest of our stream team doing? Do we have a bunch of people still on, I would imagine? Stream stars. Oh, we got a couple people on, I guess. Blapple's on. Is Blapple playing games? Yeah, Blapple's playing Fortnite. Awesome. Okay. Let's do some more push-ups, I guess. More push-ups, I guess. You gonna dance, Evie? Hands on ears. Come on. Oh, sorry. Is it? Which ears do I do? Do I do the?
Yeah. So close.
Is it? That doesn't look close to me.
I'll just get him.
Is it on max heat?
Yeah. It's so little.
Can you like stick it in the microwave?
Probably.
Wait, what?
I could probably try to stick it in the microwave.
You need to do the wait. They don't love you like I love you. There's a dance to that?
I don't know if there's a dance to that.
There is.
There is?
But I just don't know it.
Oh, you just don't know it? Okay.
But there is a dance.
There is a dance.
I don't know what kind of dance. But there is.
Let me go stick it in the microwave.
Okay.
Mom?
Hope they play Hot to Go.
My